What's going on, everybody? I got this Kansas City Athletics fitted for you guys. Let's get straight to it. It's green and camel. The logo itself is beige, maroon, and teal. Comes with the elephant side patch. MLB logo on the back is in beige, blue, and red. Comes with this green underbrim, black sweatband to complete it, and this hat is 100% polyester and was made in Bangladesh. This is just a really nice hat, really clean. Hopefully you guys are able to cop it. If not, we got here dropping every single week. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.